Hey YouTube, it is your girl, the Real Teddy Talks, educating you on entrepreneurship, your hustle and your grind, and building generational wealth. Today is a very short video to quickly remind you that my cryptocurrency investing course with confidence closes tonight, midnight Eastern time. Now you probably will have an hour or two grace period because I'm on Cairo, Egypt time. So at midnight, I may still be asleep or just getting up to get ready for the workday. Either way, get that course tonight, midnight, so that you can get the knowledge, get your learning on cryptocurrency and all the wonderful things that come along with it. Now, when this course closes, it's not closed forever, but it will be closed for about 4 to 6 weeks as I ramp it up a notch, add some advanced course material, some material about investing, reading charts, DeFi, farming, staking, all that I'm going to add to the course. I just want to have time to focus on my current students and focus on building up the course without it staying open. So this is your last opportunity until the next 4 to 6 weeks when it launches again. I highly encourage you to get in. Those of you that have already bought the course, thank you, thank you, thank you, because you reiterated to me that there are people out there who want this knowledge and that me spending my time to give it to you is well worth it. So I love y'all and I'm gonna keep giving y'all the knowledge. So my Sunday Fun Day fact for today, my husband and I are trying to get into another sector of the stock market, and today we were analyzing where our investments are, how much money we have extra to invest in this other sector. Should we move money? Should we sell things? Should we just pull money out of other accounts, like our money market accounts, to put in the stock market? And we were evaluating how much money that we've wasted during our adult life, right? And the two biggest wasters of money that we found were buying new cars, number one, and the second one was a timeshare. We bought a timeshare. And the new cars, you know, that was a money suck, it happens. But those timeshares, the timeshare really made me reevaluate why I do this for you young people. We were young, we went on a vacation, we got the briefing, it sounded great. They were selling us the dream, and that dream was a complete waste of money. I'm not saying I don't use the timeshare and I don't appreciate it, but it was not worth the money that we could have invested in cryptocurrency when we found out about it, in the stock market years ago, and buying more real estate when we bought our first house. The list is endless of things that money that we used for that timeshare could have been used in lieu of buying the timeshare. So this is why I'm here. This is why I do it. This is why I'm talking to you all. I'm trying to let you know the mistakes I've made, hopefully at a young age. But if you're not young, if you're aging like me, that's okay too. It's never too late. I want to give you these gems of knowledge so that you don't make the same mistakes I did, and I'm here for you. Go to my website. On the very home page, about not even a third of the way down, is something called Ask Teddy. Ask me questions. I want to give you what I know, or find out what I can find out for you, or tell you I don't know and I can't find out. Whatever the case is, I'm here for you. I love y'all. Enjoy your day. Invest in yourself just 1% a day and find your exponential greatness. This is the Real Teddy Talks, signing out.